Boy, she's got stories to tell, doesn't she?
She does.
Great. Happy birthday to her. Well, take a look outside right now. As we said, you can barely see out there now, but this looks like rain. Wait till you see what's coming tomorrow.
Yeah, we do have some smoke on the way. Air quality alert has been issued for tonight. You can definitely see it off towards our west. I know there's a lot of hazardous air quality amounts throughout Illinois, up into Michigan. We're seeing a lot of that surface smoke that's inching throughout the area. Our wind is coming in from the west as we track in our forecast for tonight as the system continues to exit the region. That's why the air quality is taking place at midnight. So you can see that smoke off towards the west. We have that moderate to getting a little dense in there as you get those closer areas of orange. So you can see that smoke begin to billow in as we get closer to midnight. It's still only the lighter amounts, but this model in particular only goes out to 18 hours. So as we lead into tomorrow morning, this look at the 8 o'clock hour, you're beginning to see more of that dense smoke plume make its way into western New York. And if this model continued on, you would see that continued flow of northwest smoke. We'll continue to have updates out on this throughout the rest of the evening, showing more and more of that smoke. Air quality alert, as you see for tomorrow, we're going to be in the unhealthy range. So we went from good all the way down to unhealthy, with more of that smoke making its way in here all the way into tomorrow morning. Your night planner otherwise does show that likely chance of rain showers passing throughout western New York, mixed in with some thunderstorms too in the Buffalo area. We have 64 by the 11 o'clock hour. We'll be at 61 at 3 a.m. And by the time we get to tomorrow morning, upper 50s. Starting off with cloudy skies, but that will break way to a mostly sunny day quite quickly in the day. Temperatures outside right now are mixing in the 60s and 70s. It was much milder today, a cooler summer day. We're going to get improving temperatures for tomorrow. In terms of dew points, our dew points are going to lower overnight tonight, so it won't be as muggy in our forecast over the next couple of days, and we'll get that drier air. Our only problem as of right now is dealing with that hazy smoke out there in our forecast from here on out after these showers and storms. The showers and storms are continuing to move in from the north and west. We have a few moving throughout Niagara and Orleans County, a few approaching Buffalo as we speak as well. There's a line of storms beginning to exit Potter County in northern Pennsylvania. There's that cluster of storms still passing through by the 9 o'clock hour, beginning to fizzle out as it exits towards the south and east, keeping the clouds around, and a couple sprinkles still possible past midnight into sunrise. But as soon as we get to the 11 o'clock hour, we're beginning to see more of that sunshine peeking through, breaking way to a mostly sunny day. Again, it will be nice outside, but we'll still have that air quality alert issued all the way until night. As you get into Thursday, starting off mostly sunny there too, we do have a very slight chance of late day showers. Not for everyone, they're going to be rather spotty, but there is still that chance. In terms of rainfall accumulation, we're going to add up some amounts there where a few of those storms are beginning to approach Buffalo as we get to about a ½ an inch and above that. For tonight, 54 to 62 is that temperature range. Rain showers and isolated thunderstorm breaking way to mostly cloudy skies and some hazy conditions into tomorrow. 67 to 77 is that range. We're going to be on the north end of that range here in Buffalo, so it'll be warmer outside than it was today, and we'll have some nice sunshine to compensate. That'll be the noticeable difference, and less of that humidity too. We have a couple days of 80s as we lead into the end of the week, but then we increase our rain chances once again. It will be humid this weekend. We're watching out for scattered showers potentially for both days. We get a little bit cooler once again on Sunday. We have a cold front passing through, but as we step into next week, it's already looking like it's going to be much drier. With that being said, Tuesday is still 7 days away, so we'll have to continue to track that as we get throughout our forecast. But as of right now, it looks like we're going to have a pleasant and hot 4th of July.